The International Criminal Court, established in 2002, is trying to assume to its shoulders the burden not only of deciding matters of justice throughout the world, but of governing the conduct of nations. Today's video is sponsored by the Patriot Gold Group. The U.S. economy and stock market are on a clear path toward a recession. First quarter GDP grew by only 1.6%, well shy of the 2.4% that had been expected. The ICC was set up as a result of the Treaty of Rome. The United States and Israel both refuse to recognize its jurisdiction and do not participate in its deliberations. But now the ICC, in addition to holding Netanyahu responsible for war crimes, while in no way punishing or chastising the Palestinians for their massacre of 1,200 people, the ICC is now assuming on itself the role of telling the world what to do. The judges have just issued an opinion demanding that Israel no longer plan to invade Rafah, the city where most of the Palestinians are holed up in Gaza. For the ICC to overstep its bounds in such a way is a horrendous act of global arrogance. Nobody elected the judges of the ICC. They represent no country. They're simply chosen by the General Assembly and the Security Council of the UN, largely as a product of the bureaucracy, just rotating names and selecting them basically at random. For them to intrude on policy and to try to tell a sovereign nation, a member of the UN, what to do is just outrageous. And it illustrates the growth of lawfare, that is, law masquerading as bureaucracy, in trying to determine the conduct of nations. The US and Israel refuse to recognize the ICC jurisdiction, and it's time the other countries who do withdrew. Thanks for watching. Today's video is sponsored by the Patriot Gold Group. The U.S. economy and stock market are on a clear path toward a recession. First quarter GDP grew by only 1.6%, well shy of the 2.4% that had been expected. Weekly jobless claims rose to a 6-month high, and consumer sentiment declined 13% in May. It's pretty clear that the definition of Biden economics is now a recession. It's time to buy gold. So call the Patriot Gold Group today. The Patriot Gold Group offers no fee for life IRAs to viewers of these videos. The IRA minimums are $25,000 and $100,000 for the no fee for life IRA. So call the Patriot Gold Group and ask for the no fee for life IRA.